Hi, what's up film fam? Earl here again, and for today I'll be sharing a video on how to load a 35mm film into your Minolta Hi-Matic AF camera. Let's get started. Let's start by opening the camera back. Pull up the film rewind lever. Insert the film in the film compartment. Pull the film and feed it to the film take-up reel. Make sure that the film is aligned on the sprockets. Advance the film a couple of times. Close the back and push back the film rewind lever. Please be mindful that the rewind lever also turns when you advance your film. And you are now ready to shoot. Enjoy! And that's how you load the film into your camera. If you don't find this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and just search for other crappy video tutorials like this on YouTube. Anyways, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Peace!